7 benefits of starting your day with ginger. Ginger is not just limited to tea, but it bestows various health benefits. The spice is full of aroma, pungency, and always accentuates the dish when added to one. Ginger has long been used in Ayurveda and homeopathic due to its healing properties. It contains potassium, copper, magnesium, and other minerals. One way to consume ginger is by drinking ginger mixed with either water or tea. Ginger can be used in a form of powder, but also a raw ginger can be boiled. Ginger tea tastes better when some honey is added to neutralize its taste. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger help fight many diseases and offer amazing health benefits, including better digestion. Starting your day with ginger water every day can strengthen your digestive system. This helps prevent the problems of indigestion, nausea, and heartburn. Ginger water mixed with a teaspoon of mint juice, a tablespoon of honey, and lemon juice can also relieve morning sickness during pregnancy if you have. Boosts immune system. Ginger promotes healthy sweating and also provides warmth on a cold day. The healthy sweat produced assists detoxification. Sweat contains a potent germ-fighting agent that may help fight off infections. Promotes weight loss. Drinking ginger water in the morning regulates blood sugar levels and controls the urge to eat. It can induce hunger and you end up overeating. Ginger helps improve the fat-absorbing ability of the body, which helps with weight loss. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger help reduce joint pain due to arthritis or osteoarthritis. It also reduces the effects of a migraine. People suffering from muscular discomfort can get relief from pain or swelling. Protects from Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a form of dementia among the elderly. People suffering from this disease have problems with memory, thinking, and behavior. It affects the central nervous system. Ginger helps slow down the degradation of the cells. The antioxidant properties in ginger help fight the inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. Lowers cholesterol. A study examined the effects of ginger and discovered that it significantly reduces cholesterol, triglyceride, and LDL, low-density lipoprotein levels. Also, low cholesterol means a decrease in health issues such as heart attack, heart disease, and stroke. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Due to the turmoil of life and pollution, our skin and hair become brittle and rough. They suffer from plenty of problems. You must have tried a lot of products to get rid of these problems, but they don't always work and leave you with more problems to deal with. But there are some home remedies that can help you with the problem. Ginger is one such remedy. Ginger contains antioxidants and vitamins which assist a natural glow to the skin. The presence of vitamin A and C in ginger also improve the texture of the hair. Moreover, the antibacterial properties of ginger help treat and protect the skin against many skin diseases. Considering the versatility of the ingredient, you can incorporate ginger into your diet in various ways. You can add it to your veggies, soups, in your smoothies, or drink ginger tea. What's amazing is how easy it is to find them. You can eat in any for liquid, powder, or raw. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more home remedies and health tips.